Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change the historical trend page setting. Genlab ovens now come with on-screen trending of the oven data. By pressing the trend page icon shown here, the screen highlights the history of the oven process. The red line is the set point of the oven, and the green line highlights the temperature within the oven. You can see on this screen that there is a 2-hour trend window, but you may wish to change this to suit your process. To change this, press the configuration key, enter the passcode 0381, press return. Now go to the trend icon and you can see the window duration. Select from either 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours or 48 hours. Press the configuration key followed by Home and Save. Now, when you press the trend icon, you can see the screen interval has changed. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.